Hello everyone. I'm Cecil Bilbao 40. God bless. Of course guys, maglagay tayo ng ating garlic, onions, and then garlic. Ayan na guys. Okay. Yan na yung ating lulutuin mga langga. Grabing hangin dito guys sa Hong Kong. Mahangin ang Hong Kong guys. Very windy. Parang ice na naman yun guys. Yung ano natin. Of course, magluluto tayo ng ating, unahin natin yung ating ano guys ha. Of course guys, unahin natin yung ating fresh. This black fungus guys. Yan. Yan, unahin natin yung black fungus na yan ha. Tuloy natin. Ay grabe guys, ang lamig ngayon sa Hong Kong. Parang ano, windy talaga. Ayan. Okay guys. Of course. Ikaw ang tulad ko. Okay. Tingnan nyo yan guys ha. Lagyan natin yung kanyang corn. Okay. Maraming corn siya guys, no? Pero it's okay. Ayan. Ganyan lang talaga. Kailangan guys. You know how to cook guys. Nadali lang naman ito guys maluto. Kasi this is a sweet corn. So guys, kunti ko lang yung corn. Kaano lang ng corn. Tapos, ano na, ipitasin para lulutuin. Okay? And then, ilagay na natin to guys yung ating bell pepper. Okay. Ganyan talaga guys. Life must go on. Even you feel tired, just enjoy. Okay, just put a little water. Okay. That become dry. Okay. Yan ang gawin nyo guys na. Ang bango. So very good smell. Lagyan lang natin siya guys ng ano, konting water. Not become dry, not burn our cooking. Okay. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless. At saka syempre, gagawa tayo ng ano guys. Oh baby. Ay, tatay ni Juan. I think I'm gonna marry you, baby. Sabi ko na sa iyo, guys. Kasi yung gusto mo maluto, guys, ang naluto ko lang, gano'n ng water. Okay? Habang nagpapahinga tayo ng ating okay? Nagpapainit tayo ng ating ano, guys. Para sa ating isdain. Okay? Para sa isda natin. Yung ganun lang. Okay, nasarap. Ha? a little with salt. Ang galing. Of course, we put our lily bulb fresh. Lily bulb fresh yan guys ha. Parang katmon ito yata ang lily bulb na to guys, no? Only 4 pieces but $35. Lagyan niya natin ng konting ano guys. We just put a little wine. Okay, para may ano siya guys. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you for watching. Lagyan natin siya guys ng ano. We just put a little oyster sauce for the taste guys, okay? And we just put a little sugar for the taste. Okay? Okay na yan. And then, ayusin natin yan guys. Yung ating patola. What did you call this? Patola? Okay. O, diba? It's only vegetables guys, no? Grabe. Okay. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope you like it. And then we just put this one guys. This is a face paste. Isda po ito guys, pinirito natin na yung isda na fish, yung maliliit na parang dinurog na isda. Ayan, ilagay natin. Okay. Yan. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. God bless. Enjoy watching. And we need to put the white pepper guys. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Okay guys, thank you so much. Okay na yan siya guys na. Okay. Thank you guys. Enjoy watching. God bless.